conceive. 4 days, 3 nights.
Celebrate responsibly this festive season to avoid drink dangerous. Consequently, mitigate the heat. Use public transport always recommended.
Is when that broke. So I'm gonna taste it. Now that's what we're talking about. Hey guys, it is currently 5 p.m. and I am gonna go downstairs to go fetch my suitcase, and I'm going to start packing now. Like, I'm tired, I want to sleep in there. I nearly took a nap. Like, I lied here. I laid here for about 30 minutes, and I realized that's a bad decision. I'm not doing what I did last time, packing about 11, 12. That's mad business, crazy stuff. I'm not doing that. We are packing now because we are productive and we are efficient. Yes. Okay, so it turns out there's my suitcase at the top there, and I cannot do it alone, so I have to wait for my brother to come back home so he can help me take that down. But that's not gonna stop us. That's not gonna stop us. I'm taking out my stuff and I'm planning the fits. So yeah, we're gonna be gone for 3 days. Yeah, wait, we're gonna be gone for 4 days, 3 nights. Yes, so yeah, you know what I mean. We're 4 nights, 3 days. So I need to pack for those days. As you know, I'm going to pack more than I need. I am. The weather, it's not giving, but sometimes it does give. So we need to be able to adjust to the weather. So I will be packing more than I need to. Like for me, suitcase it's big, it's large. So yes, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So let's try these fits, guys. Oh, I'm pretty sure. Hey, please, the state of my room right now. Please don't look at it. It's like, this is not a good reflection of who I am. It's not. Don't judge. We look, we don't judge. We look, we don't judge. Gotta listen to the Spanger right here. So this is my fit for tomorrow. This jacket, this top, some tights, and Crocs. So I have tomorrow's fit.
3.
Change. I'll never know. Like so if you dare to find me, to watch the sky. And someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. And those who run me take a message back from me. In other words, no wisdom that there is or was is ever gonna bring me down. Basically, I've taken everything out, and all I need now is my suitcase. I've packed my shoes. We're not even leaving that early tomorrow. That's a funny thing. So I can pack things tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna pack most stuff now, and then like things like toiletries and whatnot can be packed in the morning. But I've taken most things out, now I just need my suitcase. But I have to wait for my brother for that. So I'm just going to continue downloading stuff on Netflix. Let me show you guys what I've downloaded so far. I've been trying to finish One Piece. So I downloaded that. Where do I find my downloads? Oh, here. Okay, so I've downloaded 4 episodes of One Piece. I'm on Enter Chopper at the Winter Island. Girl, these eras are so long. Why is there 80 episodes each era? What? That's crazy. And then dun. I have downloaded only 4 episodes. I haven't started it because I didn't want to start it and wait every week, so I waited for it to finish. So I downloaded 4 episodes of that. And then My Happy Marriage, there's an episode that they added on Netflix. So that's pretty much all of them. I wanted to download Crazy Rich Asians, but I'll just stream that. That's fine. I also have a book that I'm reading on my iPad. It's horrific, but I have to finish it. I have to see it through. It's so bad. Like, it's the kind of book where they're making it a little difficult to cheer for the main characters. Like, why are they crazy? Like, there's crazy and then there's crazy, but they're just crazy. They're like, they both need therapy, and until they both get that therapy, I will not support them. The Last Kind of Kiss, the Riverside Reapers book 4 by Celeste Briers. I just finished Play Along by Liz Tomford, and it's kind of, I think another reason why it's like difficult for me to read this is because that was so good. Play Along was so good. So good. Can I get Isaiah? Can I, like, how many days shipping? I will pay. Like, easy for say, oh, Isaiah, I want him. Let's have it. Let's have it. But yeah, it was really cute. You guys have to read that book. It's so good. So good. Like, put me in, coach. But yeah, The Last Kind of Kiss is not giving put me in, coach. In fact, it's giving, let's close the book. Let's close the book and let's read something else. But I will not DNF this. I have to read it. I have to finish it. I'm going to try to finish it on the road. And I've been updating my friend, so he's waiting for me to finish it. And I have another book. This is a self-help book, however. It's called Black Girl in Love with Herself. It's a great book. Love it. I'm saying this like I've gone through most of it. I have not. I have just started, actually. But it's good. I like it. It's tapping into My black girl magic. It's giving brown skin, girl. Your skin just like pearl. Hey, best thing in the world. That's what it's giving. Thank you, Beyonce. Everybody say thank you, Beyonce. You finally bought it for me. It took so long. It's already late. I was hoping that I'd be done packing by now, but you know, you can't always get what you want. But all I have to do is put everything in the bag, so it's not that deep. So let's do it. I don't know what you're cooking. Here's the toilet bag, the things that I'm bringing with. I bought basically everything. I've got my buttercream, mousse. I put my setting spray in this bag instead of the makeup bag because I don't like it turning brown. Important. This is my skincare. It's the serum, and then like it's nearly finished, but I'll just use one one's perfume, what's this called? Roll on. I bought a claw clip. And my brush is in here. And of course, what I use for my eyebrows. This is the best. It stays for so long. And that's what I bought. But this is, I'm just gonna pack this tomorrow, obviously, because I need to wash tomorrow still. So I'm gonna need most of the stuff. And I'll pack it in my bag. So we're gonna leave whenever tomorrow. You'll probably see all of that in the next vlog. And yeah, basically this is the end of my prep and packing vlog for the Eastern Cape. And I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I enjoyed making it. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends. And see you later, pookies. Bye.